Have you ever walked into a room and felt like nobody really noticed you, or worse, like you were invisible? In today's world where attention is currency, being respected instantly can change everything: your career, your relationships, and even how you feel about yourself. The truth is, respect is not about power, money, or status. It's about psychology. And today I'm going to share 6 proven psychology tricks that can make people respect you instantly. These tricks are not manipulative. They are simple shifts in behavior that speak to the way humans are wired to respond. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to project confidence, authority, and presence without trying too hard. Let's start it now. Number 1. Upgrade your thin slice. Psychologists have a term called thin slicing, which means people judge you in the very first few seconds of meeting you. It's harsh, but true. Most people form a lasting opinion about you within 7 seconds. The way you walk into a room, your posture, your eye contact, even the energy you project, all of it communicates before you even speak. If you want respect, upgrade that thin slice. Walk with purpose, hold your head high, and make eye contact as if you belong there. In our distracted, fast-paced world, people don't have time to dig deeper, so make your first impression count. Number 2. Physically take up more space. Have you noticed how confident people naturally command space? They don't shrink themselves into the corner. They expand. This does not mean you have to be arrogant or intimidating. It's about body language. Sit with your shoulders open, don't fidget, and allow yourself to take up the space that belongs to you. Studies show that open body posture increases how others perceive your confidence, and surprisingly, it also increases how confident you feel internally. Respect is rarely given to the person who looks like they're trying to disappear. Show the world through your body that you deserve to be seen. Number 3. Get comfortable with platonic touch. This one is subtle but powerful. Platonic touch, like a firm handshake, a light tap on the shoulder, or even a friendly pat on the back, builds instant trust and connection. In an era where most interactions happen through screens, real human touch is rare, and when done right, it communicates warmth, safety, and authority all at once. People instinctively respect those who make them feel both acknowledged and comfortable. Just think about leaders or mentors you have admired. They often use touch to reinforce presence without saying a word. Number 4. Don't allow yourself to be cut off. Have you ever been speaking and someone interrupts, and you just let them? Without even realizing it, you've told the room that your words aren't important. Respect is directly tied to boundaries. If someone cuts you off, don't snap, don't get defensive, but simply keep talking with calm, steady confidence until you've finished your point. People quickly learn that your voice holds weight. In today's fast-scrolling, short-attention world, holding space for your own words shows discipline and strength. You're saying, "I matter enough to be heard," and others will respect you for it. Number 5. Compliment your competition. This one flips people's expectations. We live in a time where tearing others down is common, especially online. But when you compliment your competition sincerely, you elevate yourself. It shows you're secure, confident, and not threatened. People instantly respect someone who can acknowledge the strengths of others without jealousy. It positions you as someone above petty rivalries, and in the long run, it builds powerful allies instead of enemies. Real respect comes from knowing your own worth and lifting others at the same time. Number 6. Openly share your shortcomings. Now here's the counterintuitive one. Most people think respect comes from showing no weakness, but in reality, the opposite is true. When you openly share your shortcomings, whether it's admitting a mistake, a flaw, or something you're working on, you humanize yourself. You become real. And people deeply respect authenticity in a world full of filters and fake perfection. Vulnerability, when combined with confidence, creates trust and admiration. People don't follow those who seem untouchable. They follow those who are real enough to connect, yet strong enough to lead. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Far From Limits for more self-improvement content designed to help you break through barriers and unlock your true potential. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.